Hi everyone. Today, let's talk about the three main ways to protect your car's paint coating, crystal coating, and paint protection film, also known as PPF. First, the protection principle. Coating uses fluoropolymers or siloxanes to form a thin layer on the paint, enhancing oxidation and corrosion resistance. Crystal coating creates a crystalline layer with silica-based polymers, boosting hardness and gloss while resisting acid rain, bird droppings, and other contaminants. PPF is physical protection made from TPU film, fully shielding the paint from external damage. Next, the protection performance. PPF offers the strongest scratch resistance, protecting against rock chips, minor scuffs, and even self-healing light scratches. Coating reduces light scratches, but is less effective against stronger impacts. Crystal coating is harder and resists minor scratches, but still struggles with deeper damage. In terms of corrosion resistance, all three offer protection, but PPF is the best, as it physically blocks contaminants from touching the paint. Now, durability. Crystal coating and coating last from a few months to a year and require frequent maintenance. PPF can last 5 to 10 years, often covering the entire ownership cycle. Finally, cost and suitability. Coating and crystal coating are cheaper per application, ideal for budget-conscious owners willing to do regular upkeep. PPF costs more upfront but offers long-term benefits, making it perfect for premium car owners seeking durability and resale value. In summary, if you want ultimate protection and lasting aesthetics, PPF is the best choice. If you prefer lower upfront cost with periodic upgrades, coating or crystal coating also works. For more global paint protection trends and sourcing tips, follow us for the latest market and technical insights.